Historic graduation at NDA. On May 30th, 2025, the National Defence Academy (NDA) in Pune will witness a historic milestone as 17 women cadets graduate alongside 300 male cadets for the first time in its history. This event signifies a significant stride in breaking long-standing gender barriers within the Indian Armed Forces and highlights the evolving role of women in national defense. India is advancing the development of an indigenous long-range surface-to-air missile system akin to the Russian S-400 under Project Kusha. The prototype is expected within 12 to 18 months, aiming to bolster India's self-reliance in defense technology. Andhra Pradesh proposes defense manufacturing hub. Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu has proposed shifting the production facilities of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's HAL, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA, and Light Combat Aircraft LCA from Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh. He has offered HAL 10,000 acres of land at the Lepakshi Madakasira hub, aiming to boost defense manufacturing and establish a major industrial corridor. India-Germany collaborate on ammunition production. India's Reliance Defense and Germany's Rheinmetall have signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate on large-scale ammunition production, enhancing India's defense manufacturing capabilities. Following the successful deployment of BrahMos missiles during Operation Sindoor, India and Russia have commenced negotiations to jointly manufacture an advanced version of the missile system. Russia has reportedly offered full technical support for the project, with plans to produce the updated BrahMos at the newly inaugurated facility in Lucknow. Cancer diagnoses in individuals under 50 have surged by 79% globally between 1990 and 2019. Poor diet and pollution are suspected factors. Melbourne, Sydney in top 10 global cities. Ranking Australia's top cities have been recognised in the Oxford Economics 2025 Global Cities Index for economic potential and human capital. Scientists warn that climate change is enabling the spread of dangerous fungi like Aspergillus fumigatus, which can lead to life-threatening lung infections. Alia Bhatt turned heads at the Cannes 2025 closing ceremony by wearing Gucci's first ever sari, making fashion history. The luxurious ensemble fused traditional Indian craftsmanship with global high fashion, marking a powerful cultural statement on the international stage. The sari, crafted from cruelty-free silk with subtle Zardozi embroidery and Gucci's signature logo, showcased a stunning blend of Indian heritage and Italian design. Styled with a structured blouse, sleek hair bun, and minimal diamond accessories, Alia's look stood out for its elegance and symbolism. Global fashion magazines like Vogue and Harper's Bazaar praised the look, calling it a defining red carpet moment. Social media erupted with the hashtag #Gucci Sari as fans celebrated the moment India took center stage in world fashion. In an interview, Alia said, "I'm proud to represent India wearing something as timeless as the sari. This is just the beginning." With this appearance, Alia Bhatt didn't just wear a sari, she made a statement, bringing Indian culture into the spotlight of global luxury. This concludes this week's edition of India Weekly Pulse. Stay informed. We'll be back next Saturday with the top stories you need to know. Thanks for watching.